Hi everyone, it's Rich. In this video, what I want to do is give you a little tour of the end product of the in-class application that we are building in our online section of COMP1006 Intro to Web Programming. So this version was largely built last year. So I'm going to give you a little tour so you can see what it is we're going to be building and what the completed application is going to look like. So when we're done, we're going to have this home page that will describe what we're doing. Notice we've got a common header and footer with a couple links in our navigation bar, a link to home, as well as we have a weather widget that will display the current weather in the location that we're in. We can sign up, and notice here we're using the Google reCAPTCHA API. So we have a way of using a third-party code library from Google to help prevent spam. And all of our pages are password protected. So if I log in with a valid credential, I get into this private area. So the movies pages, that's what we're going to be building each week in class, sort of in the online activities. And then the book section is what you'll be doing for your labs, where you're basically repeating functionality and working on your own. So inside of movies, what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to add. We also want to be able to do an edit, so I can go in and make a change to something and save that change. Notice my change is updating. I do have to fix my navigation bar. And I can also upload a file. So we're going to look at how do we process file uploads. And also we can do a deletion if we want. We're going to add the ability to sort this list. So notice I can click and sort my list from ascending to descending. I can also filter my list by searching. So I can choose any or all for my search and my list gets filtered. We're also going to build out a gallery of all the movie posters, kind of like a Facebook photo album. So we upload the individual posters to each movie record, and then each one gives us a link back. Lastly, notice when I log out of the application, my private links go away, my public links come back, and now if I try and go back into a private page, I get kicked back to the login screen. I'm locked out. So these are all of the features that we're going to implement over the course of the semester. We're going to do add, update, delete. We're going to include error handling. We're going to look at how we build common headers and footers, how we do registration, login, password protect our pages, how we connect to third-party libraries or APIs like Google reCAPTCHA or the Weather Network. So this is kind of where we should be by the end of the course.